I'm so lost in a world of black seas now. Lost in the water, got me looking for the keys now. I don't know myself, I probably switch up on my G's now. I drink half the bottle just to dash away the fees now. I chose all these things, I know. I take all the blame, I put it on me, I know. All these goofy niggas tryna block me, I know. All these fake goons say they run the fucking code. Drama, fuck the drama. I only came to get the motherfucking moolah. Yo bitch will fuck me, then she give me all the moolah. Flip her over like I'm reading Kama Sutra. Yeah. Comma. Yeah. Step close, face my katana. Yeah. All my niggas whipping in the Honda. All around the world I move like I'm a panorama. Yeah. Can't you tell I've lost my patience? I'm so new with all these changes. Old gang kids, I made these changes. Test my life, I'll make you brainless. I'm insane, that's a shame for my life now. Book myself a flight and take my ass away from life now. 14 goddamn shots, he's dead. Things I do with all this money got up in my head. Black seas, I might move away from home for black seas. Got me staying up for days. Black seas, the cocaine kills in black seas. I'm so bad now, cause black seas got a nigga saying please, man, please. Can't you see the fucking marks on my knees? I'm never going back to the black seas. Yeah.